Hey Tech Talk family, so you guys are ready for this? There's going to be a whole bunch of short little interviews for Tech Talk Live, because why not? When you're in an expo, you get to be in their environment with all of their products, their educators, and their chemists. So I'm with Vicki here with Podology. Hi Vicki.
Hi everybody.
Hi. So Vicki, tell us about Podology.
Okay, well I'm the president of the North American School of Podology, and what we do is we teach advanced foot care. We teach advanced pedicuring to the nail techs. We have classes all around North America, and what we want to do is we want to empower technicians through education. So education is something that is very key to us. So when we teach our classes, we also teach technicians how to work with specific tools and implements, teach them how to work with electric files and specific bits that are formulated for the pedicure client. They could be for a diabetic client, they could be for a senior client, they could be for your regular client. Now we also have a lineup of products that we teach how to work with in our school as well, and that's with Podology.
I love it. I absolutely love it. So not only can you get the education because they come to the shows as well, but they offer workshops. So are workshops online or through tech school?
They are not. We do our workshops still live. So when we come to a show like this, yesterday we had 5 hours of classes. And then from there what we do is we teach our CMP classes or our advanced pedicure classes, and we go out to different locations. So I'm really excited because after our class yesterday, we had a group of ladies that asked us to come to Boise, Idaho to teach a class. So that's where we're going to be next.
Because it's needed.
It is.
And do you go into specialty care with like diabetics and,
We do.
Yeah.
We do. We really focus on diabetes and seniors and immunocompromised, more at-risk clients, because we're seeing more and more of those people coming in for pedicure services, and the technician is sitting there and they're going, I don't know what to do, or they're like, I'm not really sure, I don't want to hurt this person, can I really do something here, or should I be turning them away? So this is where we teach, the 3 R's: recognize, recommend, refer, what we can do, what we should be referring away, and what kind of recommendations we can make. But this is some of the stuff we do in the classes.
Important, right? Isn't that the type of knowledge that we do on Tech Talk Worldwide? Yeah. Gosh, thank you so much. So we will, in the comments, we're going to put in how to get a hold of them, their Facebook and all of that, and their website. So keep looking for that. And Brittany and Roxana, all you guys, I'll see you in a second. Thank you so much, Vicki.